Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Pyare Hazur, my name is Adil Ahmed Faruqi and I am 13 years old. I am from Birmingham East Jamaat. My question is, what should the daily routine for a Tifl be?
What should the daily routine of a Tifl be? You see, an Ahmadi Muslim, whether he's a Tifl or Khadam or any person, when you attain the mature age, that is after 10, the Tifl age starts from 7 to 10. So a Tifl of the age of 7 to 10 should try to regulate his life by offering daily prayers, right? Sometime he may offer 3, 4, 5 prayers, but when you attain the age of 10, when you are 10 years of age, then it is obligatory on you to offer 5 daily prayers, right? So the routine should be that you get up early in the morning, offer your Fajr prayer, and do tilawat of the Holy Quran, even if it is 1 ruku or 2 rukus. Then if there is enough time to get a short nap, then you can go to the bed again and have a nap for half an hour. Or if you have enough time, you can even sleep for 2 hours during summers. Then get up, get yourself prepared for school, go to school, spend your day in the school. There you should also behave well with your fellow students. When you come back from school, do your homework and also try to do some extra work which you are supposed to read in the next day. So if you read the things we are going to read on the next day, that will also help to get you better understand the lecture of your teacher or whatever you are going to study. Then, before that, you will have to offer your Zohr prayer. And if there is no time to offer between the closing of the school and reaching back home, then you should ask your teacher or head teacher to give you some place to offer your Zohr prayer there. And if the time is too short, then you can offer Zohr and Asr prayer together. Join those prayers together, right? And if there is enough time, then come back home, offer your Zohr prayer. Or if there is not enough time, offer your Zohr and Asr prayer at home, right? Then when it is Maghrib time, then after that you should play for some time outside for 1 hour. If there is time to play for 1 hour, then during summers you can easily play, right? For 1 hour. You play football or cricket or hockey or rugby or anything you like. Then offer your Maghrib prayer. Then also study, try to read some books, either religious books or other story books, so increase your knowledge, and also try to read newspaper to increase your secular knowledge. Then offer Isha prayer. After having had your dinner, offer your Isha prayer, and then go to bed as early as possible so that you can wake up instead of wasting time on television or internet or iPad, watching so many nonsense things. So you better go to bed early. And so you will be able to get up early morning for Fajr prayer. It is said that early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Right? This should be your routine. السلام علیکم.